Sorkar Jilla Kalarai ban Pyndam no ya ka Smart Road Project Hapoh Jong ka Shillong Smart City Project namar ba ka Sorkar ka Shem ba kini ki project Kimlong ki bayaham ya ka ni lapan bana da usimput menteri rang ba ka Jilla ba pet ya katnat urban affairs uba snya bhalang dhar uba dhar ula ong ba ya ka benta ka beningkong jong ka project lapan dam no hadien bala Shem ba ka ni kamlong ka bayaham Kawai na kisurok nek Smart Road kaba ompat la ban pendap ha ka Shillong la chumia kadai kawai na padangi khanyo tadi ke project Jong ka Smart City ya kabala dai ban pentrai kam ha ka nong ba
Project is under good progress and few projects we are yet to integrate maybe in the month of August or September I think and the other even I had a meeting last week I received the reports all in progress. So hopefully I think it will be very helpful for people. At least for example like when the polo market is ready, when the infra market is ready, when the ICCC is ready and presently around both smart city and mixed from the state plan also around 1213 parking places under progress as well. So we are monitoring every day, every now and then. My officer is on the job to make sure the project should be complete in the time. So all projects is in good progress as of now.
MLA kanong pa uba